Good afternoon, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I'm in a beautiful neighborhood of Woodland Hills, California, and I want to show you a project we just finished. This is a complicated project. We have a couple of driveway gates, one in the far end, one right here. We have a pedestrian gate here. These are our aluminum gates. They are 100% aluminum head to toe, 100% powder coated, 100% made in the US. We make them here in our Canoga Park office, Canoga Park factory. We use rack and pinion operators. They are nice, they are elegant, they are small, they don't take a lot of room, and they work beautifully. No chain needed, no grease, not a lot of maintenance. These gates are almost 100% maintenance free. You will not need to worry about paint or rust or anything like that. You will need once in a while periodically just to wash them and clean them up. We already also installed a double swing here. Again, this is the interior, and both these gates have safeties and exit loops to freely get out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. Ron for Mulholland Security in Woodland Hills, California.